G'day, this is Scott from birdloversonline.com with an exciting video tutorial on how to create an avatar for your birdloversonline.com profile. Alright, this video tutorial uses paint.net, which is a free photo editing software. You can get that by going to paint.net and downloading it. Once that is installed, please then click on File and Open. Select the photo that you'd like. It can be yours or preferably one not that you've found online unless you've got permission. We're just going to click on Sun Conure right here. It's a pretty big photo. We want to resize this, but first we want to crop it. So we'll then select the rectangle select, and we will click and drag around the area that we wish to keep. I think that's about right. Alright, now to crop, we will then crop to selection in the image tab. Alright, it has been cropped. Now, to resize this photo to more appropriate avatar size, we will then go to Image, Resize, and we will change this width by clicking with your keys 150. It's 150 pixels, which is an appropriate size for an avatar, and hit OK. Alright, now we want to go Save As. Gonna go Sun Conure _ avatar. Save. Alright, that's a good size right there. 20 kilobit. Alright, now to add this to your profile, here's what we do. We go up to the forum, we go to Settings. Alright, scroll down to Edit Avatar. Alright, now click on Custom Avatar and choose File and point to the directory where your avatar is at, which is right here, Sun Conure Avatar. Alright, save changes. Alright, here we have it. That is the avatar. This is my avatar, and it's going to be the avatar for quite a while, I think. I don't intend on changing it. So, yeah, thank you for watching.